Well, I got part of my pro table. I'm still missing the frame, but I did get the fan, so I thought I'd get started early and try and resolve the problem that everybody complains about with the drains. So I went ahead and made myself a dimple die. Just turned on a lathe, 2 parts, and so that when they go together, there's a gap about 400 thousandths, which is the thickness of the table. And this portion here goes inside the hole, so it sort of self-centers, and then just put a screw together, tighten it down, and it creates the dimple. So I'm going to demonstrate that now. First, put the bottom part on. Set the pan on top. The dimple die self-centers. And just crank it down. Progress with that. There we have the dimple, and the new drains are much thinner, but that now definitely sits well below flush with the table. The other thing I've done is that I don't care much for the small hole, since I'm going to be draining these pretty much each time I use the table. So I've gone ahead and drilled out and made a larger pipe tap in there, going to 3/8 instead of the 1/4. So that's where I'm at right now. Hopefully soon I'll get the rest of the parts and be able to start putting the table together. I'm offering this dimple die now that I've used it. There's really nothing that I need it for. So for the folks on the forum, if they want to, send me the money, I'll ship it to them, and then we could just pass it around. So the next person in line can use it, and then with each person that gets a new table, then they can ship it to them. All right, thanks.